Welcome to the History Hunter, where we explore the world's most iconic buildings, then rebuild them in Minecraft, block by block. This is our very first episode, and we're starting right here in the Netherlands, with a house that looks like it came straight out of a painting, the Rietveld Schröder House in Utrecht. Built in 1924, this house was designed by Dutch architect Gerrit Rietveld for Truus Schröder, a progressive widow with 3 children. The result? One of the most radical houses of the 20th century, and the only building ever constructed that fully embodied the ideals of the De Stijl movement. You've probably seen art like this before, blocks of red, yellow, blue, white and black. That's De Stijl. It wasn't just an art movement, it was a whole design philosophy. De Stijl stood for harmony, simplicity and pure abstraction. Everything had to be reduced to straight lines, flat surfaces and primary colors. The Rietveld Schröder House brings that idea to life. From the outside, the building looks like a 3D Mondrian painting, full of shifting planes, overlapping lines and bold colors. But it gets even cooler when you step inside. Upstairs, nothing is fixed. Walls slide. Spaces open and close. You can change the entire layout of the living space just by moving panels around. In 1924, this was revolutionary. Even today, it still feels futuristic. Truus Schröder wanted freedom, not just in society, but also in the space around her. And that's exactly what Rietveld gave her. Now here comes the fun part, rebuilding this masterpiece in Minecraft. As historical builders, our goal is to preserve architecture in a digital way. And Minecraft gives us the perfect tools. With its sharp lines and abstract shapes, the Rietveld Schröder House is surprisingly Minecraft-friendly, but don't let that fool you. Getting the proportions right, especially with the sliding walls and layered facade, was a real challenge. Check out the final result. Every detail from the color palette to the flexible interior has been recreated in-game. We hope it inspires you to look at architecture differently, not just as buildings, but as stories, ideas and dreams made real. On the History Hunter, we're not just here to look at buildings. Our long-term goal is to buy a real castle and turn it into a living history museum, complete with a hotel or B&B, so people can learn, explore and experience history firsthand. Every view, like and subscription helps us get one step closer. So, if you love history, architecture, or just Minecraft, subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what we should explore next. Thanks for watching, and remember, let's build history, one block at a time.